How to draw on a screenshot on your MacBook. So what we're gonna need to do is to take a screenshot. So click on your keyboard Command Shift and the number 4. And now you can select the area which you want to screenshot. So for example, this area. Now in right down corner area is my screenshot. We want to open it. And here in the menu bar of that screenshot is this little icon. So click it. And it's simply drawing feature. You can click this little icon to draw. And if you use your mouse on that screenshot, you can draw whatever you want. If you want to change the color of that drawing, click on this little arrow near this icon and change it to, for example, yellow, and you can draw with yellow color. So that's basically how you can draw on your screenshot. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.